Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix important display message and able to verify this iPhone has a genuine Apple display. So if you open your details on your iPhone in about section, you see this kind of error on your iPhone. And if you have recently changed your display, then you have to simply check whether your display is not genuine. But if you haven't changed your display and this error is showing, then how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close this page, and here you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of iOS on your device, because many problems and errors are fixed by the latest version. For this you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to simply click on software update. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the iOS version on your iPhone. And after updating, you have to simply restart your device, and you have to check whether that display is shown again or not. And if that message is again showing, then you have to simply take the screenshot of the problem, and you have to contact the Apple support and ask for the solution. And if they tell you to replace the displays from the official Apple store, then you have to simply do that. But if you do not have replaced your display from uh, day one, then you have to simply tell the Apple Store that you haven't changed, and it is showing that kind of message, and they will tell you how you can fix that. And after that, what you have to do, and if you have tried all these things, then you have to simply restart your device. And after that restarting, you have to simply go to settings again, and here you have to go to general, and you have to go to about section. And if it is not showing now, that display message, that mean your problem has been solved. If the problem is still there, then you have to check again. You have to take the screenshot and go to the Apple discussion and ask for the solution from the Apple user, so that they can tell you a better solution. Moreover, if you have coverage available, then you can also go to the coverage option, and you can check for your coverage on the latest nearest Apple store. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.